everyone. Today we are gonna see do how to host our website online. So yeah, let's get started. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna host our website as free as possible. Mm, So if you are not aware, let me show you what RenderApp is. Before that, you would have been aware that there is Roku app, which is acting as a platform as a service. You can host your applications, which is regardless whatever it is, client side applications or backend application, as free. But it is closed now. Actually, you need to give a payment option to create a new application. If you don't have credit card, what would you do? So that's why we've got an alternate, which is Render. Here Render, if you haven't created an account, you can do. Once you have created, you can click this get started for free. Once you have clicked, you can click select the web service as you want. So here if you see, the web service will ask your repository, which has backend code that you have written. You have two options. One is GitHub, another one is GitLab. So I have GitLab, which is having my codes private. So there I have portfolio backend, which is the one that I am gonna make sure hosted on cloud. So let's get started. Let's give the app name as test one. The branch is master. If you choose other branches, you can go ahead, but here it only shows master. Yarn, I don't use yarn, I use npm. So let's give npm install as an dependency installation command, and npm start as a starting command for the production app. Okay, so if you see, the free has 512 MB for each project, so it doesn't have any price to be paid. So let's create a server web service. Yeah, see, you have this URL created. If you click this, it wouldn't show your application because the application is just started to be deployed. So the render uses some of the automated DevOps tools like Docker, if I'm not wrong, or some other tools if it is possible. So it will directly just trying to install everything. It will do other things as well. One is cloning, and another one is going to the master branch with the latest commit. You can give the commit messages, you can do whatever you want. So then once it is done, see, this is done. This messages you would have seen in your local machine as well. So this is like the same virtual machine that is running on the cloud. So next it will trying to take the image from the build. The build is ready. The dependency installation has been done, but it is trying to take an image because as I said, it uses some automated DevOps tools which uses to have image which suits for all the environment which is installed in a particular virtual machine. So the image is perfect. So once it is done, it will try to run our command npm start. So how the command would work, that is what we are gonna check. This is the code that I have got, and if you go and see what the command we have given, when it runs npm start, it will try to run the code that I have written here, which is going to be the environment is going to be production, and the main path it will be dot source, which is this. Where is it? Which is this, yeah. And the Babel node, because I used most Babel utilization codes, which is like import. I see import schema. So the Babel make sure these are all gonna work whenever it runs the each files. So this is going to happen, but let me run through in our mission. So let's go to the project. So let's give the command npm start. So after this command, it will run here MongoDB, which is our database. Let's go to that localhost 7002. Yeah, so see, this is running good. The app is running good at local, but we need to see if the app is running good at the cloud as well. So it doesn't have only one app. It serves two apps, which is dashboard as well. It is not working because it is cached. See, now it's working good, right? So the dashboard app, we can see whichever app we want. How the data is serving from here. You are seeing portfolio, the data, right? It all comes from the database, but this thing is showing how the data is stored. We can manage the data here. So as I said before, this is the dynamic applications, and the backend is serving both UI part. One is dashboard, another one is this, the portfolio that you have seen before, and this is the dashboard which has the privilege of database. It shows how the data is stored and all. So what we have done, see, our npm start has been run on the cloud. So once it is finished, the in progress will be changed to deployed successful. So once it is done, we can check if the link which showed 502 error is running or not. Let's see, hope it works. Once done, we are good. If it is not, we need to make sure what the error is and how the error is solved and all. Let's hope. So this is how, guys, the app is running at the local and all. Hope you understood for this time. Okay, so if you haven't heard of Render, yeah, see, app is live now. Hopefully the link would work now. Yeah, the link is working good now. See, once it is running, see, it is working good. The welcome page, the only one time it will show as I have written. So once you have read, no one will have patience to read this. Let's close this. Yeah, everything is running good, superb. What about my dashboard? It wouldn't because it is cached. Superb. Now it's going to work. Yeah, I have two applications. One is the Eternal System, which is my final year project. Another one is you have seen already, the portfolio, which is also a dynamic applications, how the data is rendering and all from a database. So you have the privileges. Once you have given, you can change it as it is. Fine, superb. Then once this is done, actually, you can use this link wherever you want. And another tip is try to give the unique name as possible, because you are giving test one, right? The test one would have been given most of the developers. So this case, to make the URL unique, it just gave the another unique word, p1 pg and all. And if you see LinkedIn, this is my LinkedIn page that I have just shared my this see on.onrender.com. If you click this, because it is not showing, because if it is not showing means uh, what it means, like the app is not running yet. Once it is inactive, it will show, because this is the free server, right? So it will wait after 15 minutes to get another request from the client, which is on browser. If it is not, it will go down. So yeah, that's what our issue here is. But no worries, I have written the error log as well, so that's why it is showing like this, which is so cool. But it will wait until the app is up and run. So you can close and try to see if this is working or not, whichever you want. So you can share the link wherever you possible, but my name Balaji Duraisamy is a unique name, so the app considers this name as a unique name, so which is cool, right? But what you have given for this test one, so it took another kind of things, p1 pg as a URL to take it as unique as possible. Okay. So that's it, guys. This is what I wanted to say with you. Anyway, I'm happy to show this to you. If you have any doubts, just post it in a comment section. I'll happy to reply you back. And the last thing I would do is to delete the app, because I don't want to use much more apps here. Let's delete this. So, alright. Is this coming? What is happening? Deployed fail. Roll back to this deploy. This is fine, but just the logs. MongoDB connected. Environment. Okay. Whatever it is. Okay, whatever it is. Go Balaji Duraisamy. Yeah, I used Heroku app before, but unfortunately Heroku app privileges was reverted back. Now it's totally cool. It's working good, guys. Why it is not working here? I don't know. But whatever, it's working on other websites, other browsers. Let me open here. Working cool then. Welcome Kate. For every developers or recruiters. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm very grateful for having another video. Okay. Bye. Good night.